Let's face it, losing weight can feel like an uphill battle. We've all been there. You try countless diets, you spend hours at the gym. But the results? Often disappointing. The scale barely budges. You feel frustrated. You start to lose hope. It's a familiar story. But what if there was a better way? What if you could achieve your weight loss goals effortlessly? The truth is, our bodies are complex. What works for one person may not work for another. Many weight loss methods are restrictive. They leave you feeling deprived. Watch to the end of this video. Learn how to burn fat and lose weight. This is where Java Burn comes in. It's not another fad diet. It's a revolutionary approach to weight loss. Java Burn is unique. It's a natural dietary supplement. You add it to your coffee, that's it. No complicated instructions, no drastic changes to your routine. Java Burn works in synergy with coffee. It boosts your metabolism. This helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Java Burn is made with a patented blend of natural ingredients. These ingredients have been scientifically proven to aid weight loss. They work together to optimize your metabolism and enhance fat burning. And the best part? Java Burn is tasteless. It dissolves instantly in your coffee. You won't even know it's there. Java Burn isn't just another weight loss gimmick, it's backed by science. Extensive research has gone into formulating this supplement, ensuring that each ingredient is not only effective, but also safe for consumption. Its ingredients have been carefully selected for their powerful weight loss properties. These natural components work in harmony to boost your metabolism and enhance your body's ability to burn fat. Green tea extract, for example, is a known metabolism booster. It contains antioxidants called catechins, which help increase your body's energy expenditure. It helps your body burn calories more efficiently, making your workouts more effective, and helping you achieve your weight loss goals faster. Similarly, chromium is a mineral that helps regulate blood sugar levels. By stabilizing your blood sugar, it can reduce cravings and prevent overeating, which is crucial for weight management. This can reduce cravings and prevent overeating. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your overall health and weight loss journey. When you combine Java Burn with coffee, you create a powerful synergy. The caffeine in coffee works alongside the ingredients in Java Burn to amplify its effects. Coffee itself is a natural metabolism booster. Drinking it in the morning can kickstart your day and keep your energy levels high. It contains caffeine, which stimulates thermogenesis. This process increases your body's heat production, helping you burn more calories. This process helps your body burn calories for energy. Regular physical activity combined with Java Burn can significantly enhance your weight loss efforts. Java Burn enhances these effects. By integrating it into your daily routine, you can maximize the benefits of both the supplement and your coffee. It creates a thermogenic powerhouse that helps you burn fat throughout the day. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your metabolism and overall energy levels. Section 4. Real people, real results, Java Burn success stories. This is where we share the incredible journeys of individuals who have transformed their lives with Java Burn. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the voices of those who have experienced the magic of Java Burn firsthand. Java Burn has helped thousands of people achieve their weight loss goals. People just like you, who were once struggling, have found a new lease on life. They've experienced the life-changing benefits of this revolutionary supplement. From increased energy to a more positive outlook on life. Many users report losing weight effortlessly. They no longer feel the burden of extra pounds holding them back. They feel more energized throughout the day. This newfound energy allows them to tackle daily tasks with ease and enthusiasm. They've noticed a boost in their metabolism. Take Sarah, for example. Her story is truly inspiring. She struggled with her weight for years. The frustration was overwhelming. She tried countless diets and exercise programs, but nothing seemed to work. It felt like a never-ending battle. Then she discovered Java Burn. It was a game changer for her. Within weeks, she started noticing a difference. She had more energy, she felt less bloated, her confidence began to soar. She was finally losing weight. The results were visible and undeniable. Sarah's story is not unique, it's one of many. There are countless others just like it. People who have found success and happiness with Java Burn. Join them and start your journey today. Section 5. Embrace the Java Burn experience. Your journey starts today. Are you ready to transform your morning coffee into a fat-burning ritual? Imagine starting each day with a cup of coffee that not only energizes you but also helps you shed those extra pounds. Are you ready to experience the Java Burn difference? Feel the excitement as you take that first sip, knowing you're making a positive change for your body. It's time to ditch the restrictive diets and the endless hours at the gym. Say goodbye to the frustration and hello to a new, simpler way to achieve your weight loss goals. Java Burn offers a simple, effective, and delicious way to achieve your weight loss goals. No more complicated routines or tasteless meals. Embrace the Java Burn experience. Enjoy every moment of your morning ritual while knowing you're on the path to a healthier you. It's more than just a weight loss supplement, it's a lifestyle change. Feel the energy and positivity that comes with every cup. It's about feeling your best from the inside out. Radiate confidence and happiness as you see the transformation in yourself. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have already discovered the power of Java Burn. See the incredible results and hear their success stories. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts today. Take the first step towards a new you with Java Burn. Order your supply of Java Burn now and start seeing results. Don't wait any longer to transform your life. Click the link in the description below and get started today. Thank you for watching FBI Full Body Information. Subscribe, comment, and let us know other videos you would like to see. Remember to enjoy your Java Burn while burning fat and losing weight.